We are out here in DeBarry with a warrant for Aiden White, who was the actual stabber. AJ, it's the sheriff's office. We got a warrant for your arrest. Your mother was just arrested at Perkins, so you might as well just come on out. I had a 13-year-old walking home from school when he was jumped by 3 males. He ended up being stabbed multiple times, and after deputies arrived and performed first aid, he was transported down to Arnold Palmer because of the severity of his injuries. Since that point in time, we arrested one of his classmates for principal to aggravated assault. His mother was just taken into custody moments ago for coming up with an elaborate alibi that she handed to detectives. But there was one problem with her alibi. This gave AJ up. His cell phone gave him up. So he's got a warrant out for aggravated battery. Mom's being arrested as well. She's going to be my nominee for Mother of the Year. Your son's out there stabbing people, and you're creating an alibi to have him not be held accountable. Well, now we're going to hold you accountable. We are at the McDonald's at Deltona and DeBarry Boulevard. Our 17-year-old suspect was not at home, as you could tell by the way we were knocking at the door. He was in Sanford with his grandmother. She is driving him here to surrender himself to us. His mom's already been taken into custody at her place of employment. And hopefully here within the next 15 or 20 minutes, this case will be closed, and then the state attorney can take it and prosecute from there.